Hey lovelies! I'll be doing a review on the MSI Katana, which is a gaming laptop with a lovely sleek build. Now, in terms of spec, this runs on a Core i7 with an NVIDIA graphic card and a 1 TB storage space. Now, for what it's worth, the benchmark and performance of this is really good as it runs seamlessly without a hitch. The MSI has a 15.6-inch display panel with a 1080p resolution, and this is nice because my gameplay comes out very bright and doesn't really crack up at all. Even while I watched movies on this, it was still a lovely output. Now, the keyboard is also very comfortable and the feedback I get is really good. It also has some aesthetically pleasing vibes and you can tweak it if you want. The audio is also lovely and goes all out on games. Now, in terms of battery life and software, the MSI comes up as a decent offer and really gets you to lower your guard down. Overall, it's a great bargain in the gaming field.